anything in the background. Wait.
Hi guys, we're just sitting here discussing stuff. But there's an interesting new box on the table here. Look what arrived today. Ordered this 2 days ago and it's already here. We have the new Simplex stuff. Whoa. There we go. Okay, that's your special effects for the day. We've been they don't agree with my special effects, but that's okay. This is YouTube on a budget. I could have just sat here and done this.
She literally choked on cereal.
It's okay. Cassie is over there choking on Cocoa Pebbles. And Alex is turning as red as her hair from laughing. So, the Simplex. Check her out. We've been waiting to get this. It's been exciting. Something new to add to the lineup here. The Simplex is supposed to be one of the best metal detectors on the market for the price. This whole package here that I got was about 330 bucks, shipped right to the door. And for a metal detector that is supposed to do as good as this thing is, you can't ask for more than that. But the big question is, does it live up to the hype? You know, that's what we're here for. We're going to find out. We're going to take this thing out of the box real quick and see what it looks like coming out of the box. All we've done is just set it on the table right now and just looked at the pretty box. So we're going to take it out of the pretty box. If we can hold it together here. And plug it in and charge it up. It's about lunchtime right now, as you can see. And then we're going to take it out this afternoon, hopefully, and see whether it actually works. It's supposed to be thunderstorms tomorrow, so we're going to take advantage of the time that we've got and get it out for a little bit today. I'll be right back. Alrighty, here we go. Since Cassie is extracting cereal from her nose from blowing it out the wrong side, Alex, can you do the honors of opening the box up here? The tabs are on the side there. Yeah, it's got the little tabs. Just lay her down. Those are the tabs. Yeah, you got to pull them up like that.
What are these
Pull those tabs up like that, and they kind of lock it in place there. And then the whole thing. There you go. Oh, yes. Probably was the other side, but hey, there's stuff in there. Actually, I think this was supposed to open up like this.
It's doing something.
There we go.
Congrats.
We'll just kind of do it like that. It's got a rough unboxing already. Oh, it does not have zip ties. Check this. The little thingies to hold the cable on.
I want to wear it.
That's pretty
Please don't
light.
sweat in it.
I'm going to sweat in it. Pull that out. Okay, here's another.
Mine's bigger.
This. Instructions.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I'll set those off to the side and probably next year we'll read them. And nobody checks instructions. So, there it is all out on the table.
You're great influence.
And here's the detector. So, this goes into this end, I do believe. Okay, so what you do is put that into there. It looks like it fits one way.
These are tiny.
Wait. There's a cam lock here. Pull up on that. Push. Okay. And then just lock it into position. Now this you need to put this in here like so. And there's a here, why don't you hold this and the action. So there's this doohickey that I can already see has a square and some rounds, look like some extras. So on the side, there's a square here. So I can see that I've got to put that in there. These are going to go in here. This goes in here. That's going to set right down in there. And does it say which side this goes on? What does the box look like? Left or right? Yeah, it looks like it goes on this side, so that this can shove up against the flat, and then this just goes right over here. Ooh, that's pretty tight right there too. That you don't have to tighten that much at all for that to be nice and stiff. And all I've got to do is put this onto here, like so. Now check this out, Alex. If you guys want to travel with this, or if you're really height challenged, vertically challenged, that's all there is to it. But
Maybe a little bit.
wow, that's really super quick and easy to set the height on it that you like.
I want to see you fit these headphones on your head.
Those fit just fine.
They look tiny.
They will widen up. Oh, they fit your big head.
No, I have a small head for headphones.
Sure, that's what they all say. So,
You try
this,
it. See if your head's bigger.
we just go around here, like so. A few times.
Oh, great, the hiccups.
And this has a plug with a notch on it. The notch goes up. Plug it in, tighten her down. And it looks like this must be your charging port and software updates over here. So you got a cable for your, get back on there. Got a cable for this, a cable for this. I don't use the arm strap. There we go though. It's put together. So we're gonna go charge it while they go crazy. We're gonna go charge it, plug it in, make sure it's all charged up, and then we'll come back to you when we get outside to turn it on the first time. Hey guys. That Cassie found something here. It's the size of a nickel.
Buffalo nickel, give me the fufu juice.
Oh, I gotta keep digging some more here. Let's see what else we can get. I found myself a bucket lister. I got a crotal bell.
It's a Wheatie.
You found a Wheatie?
Yes.
Sweet.
A Walking Liberty 1943 $half. Oh my god, it's freaking gorgeous.
You got an Indian? Oh my god, Cassie got an IHP. Needless to say, I am a happy camper. Alrighty, we are out. And Cassie is taking the first swing with the Simplex. Starting out in a little area here, the school that I have beat to death. Playing around just to get an idea of what the numbers are and stuff like that. So, you got something you want to dig? Let me hear what it sounds like. Okay, let's do this.
I can hold it.
Hold this. Here. Just, did you turn the headphones off or?
No.
Okay, that's alright, that's alright.
Oh, I just turned them off now.
Okay. Okay, so she's getting all kinds of wild numbers here. 49s, 50s. No, this is a scale up to 90. So I'm going to flip over to...
The 30s are the other. Don't understand.
So these are fairly low numbers. This is going to be numbers more like the AT Pro. So your like 70s and up are going to be where your coppers and silvers start. Let's dig it and find out though. You can turn your headphones back on. This area over here, I'm betting is going to be a lot of trash. So my bet is aluminum foil.
May have forgotten to grab gloves, but
So something over there.
oh, those are my gloves.
You can swap out. You can use mine if you want.
It's fine. I'll just get more if I need them.
Something very big.
Yeah, I'm like,
Oh, is that it? No. I don't know if we needed to record this entire section. There's something big right there. It's a post. Can you see it?
yeah.
That's a concrete post. Or not a concrete, a steel post.
Yeah, at least you know the signals work.
That's why it was so confusing. So that is steel that is really low. So, okay, we'll cut off here and go to find something good, hopefully. Look at the plugs this thing digs.
Perfect. Is this a... Oh, I thought I saw a nail.
It could be.
Yeah.
Oh, you got iron. She got iron. That was one of those deep squeakers. We weren't sure. So you got to dig though, so you never know. I've dug a ton of those that were nails. And then every once in a while you'll pull silver out of there.
Oh, this is heavy.
Yeah, this new shovel is awesome at making a nice plug though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. We're hoping for something good for a change. It's back this way. Oh! We got an evil one. A bottle cap.
That
Or a
is so
pull tab.
sad.
Yes, I hate it when that happens. That's why they call them the evil ones. It's a classic.
Well,
Whatever it is, it's got a little bit of depth to it, so this ground is hard right there.
that was not. Watch it be a pipe. I swear, if it's a pipe. It's a pipe.
That's a rock. A piece of concrete or something. What the heck is that?
The treasure chest. We need to start
Right
the
there is
purge.
your signal, listeners. No, that side? Yeah, that's a piece of concrete. There's something embedded in a piece of concrete down there. So, we're gonna skip that.
Yay. 8 inches deep. There's no in between.
Ooh.
Please. Please be something good. Please be something good.
It's a great old nail. But it got it 9 inches down.
What a good nail.
You know, that's metal detecting casts. If you got good stuff every single time, it would be no fun.
I don't want good stuff every single time. I want
you've got a
good
new
thing.
detector, you want something good. You're in an area that I have beat to death. You're gonna have to beat it up more.
I'm trying.
So, we were just playing around with it. We're over near our little restaurant here. Had a speaker. We think we had speaker interference.
Wait a minute.
Oh, look, I got a bearing.
Huh. That's such a good signal too.
Yeah, not bad. That's pretty shallow.
Whoa.
It's gonna do that. It's that pinpointer.
No, it's not.
I dug a...
It does that when it's on the ground. Turn the headphones on. I mean, on. Oh, is that a coin?
Nope. It is a piece of foil.
Well, not anything better than you guys have gotten. Hush.
Where is it? Yeah, that's the bottom
It's a
from around a
battleship.
cap.
I sunk your battleship.
Holy cow. Drive-through line's along.
I told you.
All right, that means it's probably deep.
Shove the pinpointer in the hole. That. Got it. That works a lot faster, but.
Not always.
The plug kind of looks like a nose.
Okay. I think that's it right there. Wadded up foil. A call. Was it solid? No.
It wasn't like 100% solid, but it was between a 5 radius. What are you gonna call it, Dad?
Fence material.
I hit you with this. Sounds. What?
Well, you got the biggest find of the day.
That's like the best find right now, so.
I got a pull tab, so actually.
Yeah, at least her pull tab was shiny.
Fine.
Is that it? Foil. Foil ball. Congrats.
That scared me for a sec.
I thought it was something good.
Nope.
Nah, never something good. Oh my gosh. How you can see
Wow.
that is a mystery to me.
What is it?
Foil. Oof. Oh, a little rifle thing.
Nope, just a little piece of copper, I think, to joint two two pieces of wire.
Oh, that was a
Oh,
little.
that's kind of the most exciting thing so far.
One in the garbage pile. Oh. I'm not terribly sure what it is.
Something with a lot of holes. It looks like a golf ball hit it really, really hard.
Yeah, it's something.
like a steel with
Yeah.
a golf ball.
Pattern imprint.
Print.
Imprint it. Thank
It's
you.
it's been a day.
Guys, here we are. We are done. As you can see, that first day out wasn't horribly spectacular, but that's okay. We went to a spot where I had said before we even started out that it's a spot I've beat to death with the Equinox, especially lately. We are still in like a month and a half in or something like that on the COVID the restrictions time period where I'm at. So we haven't been able to get out and do a lot in the way of metal detecting. Certainly haven't been able to do door knocking and things like that. So we've had to go to these public areas where we could get away from everybody. I say public because they are publicly owned places, but they might be places that people don't go to on a regular basis, such as this little school side yard that we were at. I've gone there so many times with the Equinox, I'm surprised that we found anything. We were hoping to find a penny or something, but that's just how seriously we've beat this place up. Anyway, thoughts on the Simplex so far. Kids like it, it's lightweight. It's real similar to the Fisher F22 that Alex uses, so the tones to her are a lot easier to understand. The Cassie and I are going to have to learn it. She's used to the AT Pro. I'm used to the Equinox, and I've going from the AT Pro to the Equinox had more experience with those two. The sounds on this are different, so I'm going to have to learn them and learn those numbers, and that's okay. You have to do that with any metal detector. But we have proven that it is a capable metal detector. It's quite sensitive. Had found some teeny tiny little things, and that sucker can go deep. So I am excited to see what it can do in places that I go to that, like if I find a new place, I think I might try this and go with the Simplex, see what I can find, beat it up as much as I can, go over it a couple of times, and then come back with the Equinox and see if I missed anything. That'll give me a little bit of a comparison between the two, but for right now, really happy with the first outing. We didn't find anything spectacular, but we had a lot of fun with it. We enjoyed the day, and in times like this, you really need something to brighten the day, and this helped really brighten the day. So keep watching, stay tuned. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. I'd like to grow my subscribers this year. Share the videos so we can help each other out. And stay tuned for the future because we'll be definitely reviewing the Simplex some more and featuring it in future videos. Till then, we'll talk to you guys later.